was a long time coming, but plain to see. When I held his shaking hand, he couldn't look at me. He said something about losing the will to go on. He looked off into the distance. I knew his mind had gone. He lights a candle, it has a soft kind of glow. He's scared of the dark, but he won't let nobody know. 'Cause when the midnight demons are creeping through the night, he knows they'll get to him when he's run out of fight. Was he trying to get it right that made it wrong? Was it just a road that went on way too long? Too long, too long, too long. He searches for words, but the words disappear. He talks so quietly, you move closer to hear. He's looking for answers, but you don't know what to say. Just help him through the night into another day. Falling over the edge of the abyss, holding on and reaching out and hoping he won't miss. I say, grab a hold of something, something beautiful and true. Someday the world is gonna smile for you. Was it trying to get it right that made it wrong? Or was it just a road that went on way too long? Too long, too long, too long.
Pernod from Paris, peaches from Provence, mangoes from Montego Bay, where the swallowtails dance, Primitivo from Puglia, Melange from Old Vienna, Gameldansk from Denmark, and oranges from Siena. I saw fireflies spinning through a haze of marijuana and sat with old compañeros in Little Havana. I rode a spirited white horse in the Sierra Nevada, and I was drinking with Vlado in old Ljubljana. In New York City, I saw the Twin Towers fall, and in Germany, I took a stone from the Berlin Wall. In Washington, I laid a flower to those killed in Vietnam. And I think I saw Vincent in old Amsterdam. I saw a million white crosses in the fields of Passchendaele, and in the bars of Brussels, I raised a glass to Jacques Brel. In Venice, I gave a ring to the girl of my heart. It was made of yellow and white gold and blue tanzanite. Dubrovnik was sad and crippled with pain. Libertas Ragusa, you will rise again. In Zagreb, the old soldier by the Palace Hotel, with his few possessions he was trying to sell. In Prague, we hoped for spring again, but the dream was crushed when the tanks rolled in. In Leipzig, the bell of freedom was rung. The regime was broken, the battle was won. I saw dolphins swim in the South China Seas and was entranced by the beauty of the Balinese. And then to Hong Kong and the bars of Wan Chai, where the Chinese lanterns float in the sky. The Caribbean islands are jewels in the sea, and like sirens at night, they called out to me. In Charlotte Amalie, I sat in Sparky's bar, writing a song on my Martin guitar. Kerouac's voice still rings in my mind. Get out on the road, you don't know what you'll find. Take the road south down to Old Mexico and the Florida coast where the flamingos go. North to New England, to the coast of Maine, and then on to Canada from Lake Champlain. West to San Francisco with a flower in your hair. The city is full 'cause all the hippies are there. These disparate images come to an end when the reason for going are hard to defend. Every new song sounds like another and begins to remind you of a long-lost lover. You're running on empty, you're flying too high, and somehow life is passing you by. Hang on to the good times, let the rest go. Whatever you missed, you don't need to know. And what did you learn from those crazy times? Life is a poem of couplets and rhymes. Did you love well? Was your love returned? Would it break your heart if your poems were burned? Was your aim true? Did you hit the mark? Did you light the fire? Did you make a spark? Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you never get the chance to choose. I took the road, and come what may, I lived out the dream of young Ramble Away. Over the hill, far away, I lived out the dream of young Ramble Away.
Say the words, sing the song, play the music all night long, and I'm dedicating all my love to you. It's a cold day, it's a lonely night. It's all wrong when nothing's right. Dedicating all my love to you. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. I don't know if I'm losing what I never had. And I'm dedicating all my love to you. You know you're looking at a determined man. Every day I'm doing the best I can. I'm dedicating all my love to you. Maybe we can turn it round and maybe things will go our way. Maybe we can learn to live and love another day. I can be romantic, I can be unkind, I can see through you and I can be so blind. But I'm dedicating all my love to you. I hold on tight and then I throw it away. I run out of anything good to say. Dedicating all my love to you. Didn't make it big, it's a crying shame. But the dice was loaded, it's a crooked game. And I'm dedicated